Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science with Partha. In today's video, we will discuss the clip and the combine method. The clip method is used to clip the values of a series based on a upper or lower bounds provided in the method. We will continue using the IRIS data set for our example. So in our Python, what we will do now is we will begin by importing pandas library. The next thing that I'm going to do is let's import the data sets from the scikit-learn library. Once both of them are imported, the next thing is we need to choose the iris data set from the data sets that we just imported. I'm going to give the variable as data, and this is equal to datasets dot load underscore iris. Now let's convert this data into a particular data frame. If we take a look at our data variable and view it, we only see it is in this format. We'll convert this into a data frame. The easiest way of doing that is through pandas data frame. Data frame. Inside this, we will pass in the data itself, data.data. And for the columns, we have the features. Inside this, we can say data dot the names. Let's run this. Now, if we take a look at the data frame that got generated, we have the column headers and the corresponding data. Now, let's consider the sepal length column for our series data because the methods that we are discussing is for series. So, let's just pick up one column and we get our series information. I'm going to call this as my sepal length. And here we'll just pick up that particular column. We'll say df sepal length centimeter. So here we can see that our series is ready. These are the set of numbers of the sepal length. Now, looking at the output, so let's run the sepal length and get a particular output. So looking at this particular output, now let us assume that we want all the information to be between 5 and 6. Here you can see that there are a couple of values beginning where the value is less than 5, 4.9. So let's say we want values between 5 and 6. So we can clip this, use the clip method and achieve this particular idea of getting all the values between 5 and 6. So now let us first apply this and then I will about it. We'll say clip, and first parameter that I'm going to give is the lower value. We are going to set 5, and the upper value will set it to 6. Now let's run this. Now you can see that all the values which was less than 5 have been replaced by 5, and similarly any value greater than 6 has been replaced by 6. So initially you can see that we had 4.9, 4.7, all of those values have been given the value of 5, and the end data points that we have here, 6.7, 6.5, any value which is greater than 6 has been rounded off to the value of. Next we have the combine method. Now the combine method is used for combining the data to the existing series based on a particular condition or a function. So let us consider the sepal length and the petal length. This data frame, we saw we have these 4 columns: sepal length, sepal width, petal length and petal width. Now what I'm trying to do is I'll combine the sepal length and the petal length in such a manner that whatever value is the minimum value between these two values should come out in the output. So for example, if we have 5.1 in the first entry for sepal length and 1.4 as petal length, then the output should come as 1.4 because this is the lower of these two numbers. So now let's achieve this. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to select our petal length column. Run this. Value over. You can see that we have the values over here 1.4 and now to this I am going to use the combine method on this. We'll say dot combine, and since the sepal length we have already saved in one of the variables, I'm going to just call on that variable. So we'll say combine my sepal length, and the next is the most important thing. It is asking for a particular function. So since we wanted to combine the two series based on the minimum value, we can simply say min. Because min is an internal function that we have. And if we run this, you can see in the output that we have the minimum values for every particular row. So initially we had discussed that out of 5.1 and 1.4, 1.4 is the lower value. So the output comes as 1.4. Similarly, every row wherever the value is the least between these two, that particular value comes up. Okay. This is what I have for you in this video. Let me know which method you found useful in the comments.